how to remove parental controls from Google account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove parental controls from your Google account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And if you're trying to do this on a Samsung phone, check the description because it's a little bit different. All right, so to get started, there's two different ways to get into the parental controls area. Simply swipe up from the home screen here. And if you have the parental controls app, you can open that up. But if not, just scroll down, open up settings, and then just scroll down in the settings until you get to parental controls, select that. Once you're on the parental controls here, simply select the three dots in the top right and select stop supervision. And then all we need to do is select my parents here. So the account that has parental controls over your Google account will need to enter their password. Once they enter their password, you'll then be able to turn it off. So I'm going to select my parents here. Now all your parent needs to do is enter their password for their Google account and select review request. Once they select review request, simply select stop supervision. And there you go. We have now removed that supervisor and turned off and removed parental controls from our Google account. So select done. It'll bring you back. And if you select parental controls, as you can see, it's not on. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.